60-inch Snap-on Epic. Up top here is all my sockets. These are all half-inch standard. These are Husky. Couple of an oddball standard. Snap-on 7/8. The short ones are a mixture of Snap-on, Mac, and there's a Snap-on one and some Harbor Freight. The deeps and Shell metric standard, they're mainly from 10 through 21 are all Snap-on, and then I got a couple more Snap-ons, Cobalt 23 and a Carlisle 27, got a Mac 22 and a Duralast 23. Then I have 3/8 swivel sockets. They're mainly Snap-on, a couple of Mac. And Snap-on deep 3/8 metric, Snap-on mid-length metric. Those are chrome. They go from 8 to 21. Matco ADV or Taiwan shit, freaking 12 points. And I'm not sure what the fuck they call these things, but I got them. And I thought they'd be useful. Haven't used them fucking once yet. Then a set of short impact. Gotta get a couple to fill that. Snap-on 1/4-inch deep, short, swivels, and semi-deeps. Some spark plug sockets at 22, short and deep, 3/8. Adapters, impact screwdriver, 1/2-inch ratchet. The longer 1/2-inch ratchet is right here. 24-inch breaker bar. This is a Mac. Just a cheap Husky 1/2-inch regular one. Some Snap-on ratchets. Mac Light. These are Sunex Crow feet in the flare nut. These are extractors. Some metric Allens. They're from Mac. Behind there, this little set right here is actually a set to remove stripped out Torx and Allens. You got some 1/2-inch Allens. I think it's 12, a 17, and a 14. Then some torque bits, some 1/2-inch swivels. Then behind them is metric Allens. These are Snap-on. Mac stubbies. Blue Point. Friggin' tamper-proof Torx, and then you got Torque Plus, mid-length Torx, some long tamper-proof stuff. Behind here is just standard 12-point, Craftsman 8-point sockets, standard hex, standard short hex. These are some 4-point Matco, they're called Mortorx. 2 bald Allens. Behind there is Phillips. 5-point security Torx, triple squares. And you got regular Torx, E-Torx, twist sockets, rail and miscellaneous. 2 Snap-on deep impact universals, 3/8. And back there are some bigger truck sockets like F350s, 3500 Chevys, and Dodges. Some just oddball axle nut sockets like a 30 12-point, a 36. This is a 12 triple square. We're doing Volkswagens and that stuff. I got a 10 here, and a T30 long. This is a engine turning tool for a Dodge Cummins. Just makes life a lot easier. And I got long bowled Allens, just regular straight Allens, some spark plug sockets, set of standard semi-deep 1/4-inch. And I got 1/2 inch extensions, 3/8 extensions, and some ratchets, and then my 1/4 inch stuff. This is a Mac 1/2 inch drive Allen set. Goes from 5/16 up to 3/4, then 8 to 19. And these are for doing bumper covers. These are Matco extra long 1/4 inch at 10 and 11. These things were fucking insanely priced, you know. I gave fucking $70 for 2 fucking sockets. Alright, that's it for the socket drawer. Then we come down here, we have my wrench drawer. Matco ratcheting wrenches, a couple of big pry bars in the back. Stubby ratcheting or gear wrench. These are Craftsman 6-point, Snap-on extra long, double boxed. Highly recommend these. Battery terminal wrench, a 22 and 21 ratcheting wrenches. I work on a lot of trucks, so they come in handy. I got a 30 and a 32 over here. Just some miscellaneous ratcheting wrenches here. Some small wrenches to go with this wrench set. I basically go from 6mm all the way up to 24 without skipping a size. These are gear wrench, a Craftsman Snap-on. These are Mac Expert low clearance wrenches. I got these with those when I brought those ratcheting wrenches right there. These are Craftsman Flare Nut. I picked these up off my Mac guy like a week or two for $75. Hardly fucking used. These are the Mac old school wrenches. Just had to have them. Oxygen sensor wrench, nut drivers. These are picks, small screwdriver set. A regular screwdriver set with some just oddball ones thrown down in here. Another pick set. 2 stubby screwdrivers. Another set of regular Snap-on screwdrivers. These ones you can see are my beaters. These ones I keep nice. Then I just got some upholstery tools. This is a tire valve tool, but I also use it to remove airbags and GMs, because this gets on the spring, holds it, and you can push it and release them. Then I got long screwdrivers, Snap-on, extra Craftsman, and then some more pry bars. And I also got the extra long Snap-on screwdrivers. That's it for that drawer. Here is my gear tools. I got an Ingersoll Rand 1/2 inch, a Mac 3/8, Snap-on electric ratchet 3/8 drive, angle drill, a 1/4 inch Snap-on air ratchet, batteries for the cordless tools. I got a Milwaukee fuel drill, impact driver, 3/8 battery impact. I got an Ingersoll Rand air hammer, just the Campbell Hospital die grinder, and then this one, and this one are all Mac. Hose clamp plier tools, just some oddball, like extra, well, the smaller pry bars, and then I got just like picks, pin punches, chisels. My hammers, this is a 32-ounce Snap-on. This is a Mac sledgehammer, a little Mac one that I found. Snap-on dead below, another, I think that's a 16-ounce soft base, and then a big Mac friggin'. This thing is why I fucking love this thing. I use this for fucking everything. Wheels that are stock shit you want to really hit but you don't want to destroy it, you need one of these. They're expensive, but they're fucking worth it. Then I just got like my hose grip pliers, my long needle nose, snap ring pliers, tin snips, some hose pinchers. These are just Craftsman. They work just as good as the Mac ones, every one of them, but they're fucking cheaper. I got needle nose from Snap-on, pair of mini bolt cutters, dikes, vice grips, small pair of channel locks, some precision screwdrivers, and oil filter plier, slip joints. Then I got the Cobras from Nimpex dikes, and then a pair of these. No, that's not the one. Right here, these things are worth their weight in fucking gold. Then down here I just have my standard wrenches. They go from 1/4 up to 1.25 inches. Set of Torx screwdrivers from Snap-on. I got the mini ones down in here. This thing is a GM door panel cable release tool. I have Snap-on picks. These are like the drum brake tools. A big kit from Cobalt. Little ratchet from Craftsman. Mac panel poppers from Snap-on panel clip removers. Metric and standard Allen wrenches. These are small snap rings. Then I got a serpentine belt tool in here. Then we got the PZ pipe pliers. My bigger channel locks are there. That is a Kingpin out of an International I used to beat on. Exhaust expander, small Pitman arm puller. That is an oil strap wrench. And I got some lady slippers in the back here, some oil filter wrenches. These things I got from friggin', I picked up from, I think, Harbor Freighter or something. Everyone says they work. These things fucking suck. I've never had any of these fucking work. And then I got just like a pipe cutter or hose cutter, bearing race and seal drivers, some extra push pins, and I got some spare drill bits, some screwdriver bits, a Mac brake depressor, a Mac oil filter cup socket set, just stuff for my die grinder, step drill bits, stubby drill bits, another set of drill bits, and then these speed out. Got these from Home Depot. They work sometimes and sometimes they don't, so definitely handy to have. Okay, down in the next drawer, I just have a Power Pro 3 with the lead set. And all your different attachments and that, and a extension cable I keep right in there. And I just got low clearance Torx stud removers. This is a Lyle pulley puller rethreader kit from Snap-on. Ford spark plug removable tool for when they break. These are just a set of disconnects. I had a big kit. I brought the master set and I didn't have room in my other toolbox for them, and I just threw them all in this box. Okay, in the bottom here I just have screw extractors, the small spiral ones, the regular easy outs, a chain for lift the motors, a 4.5 inch Makita grinder, Milwaukee cordless sawzall, Max screwdriver bits, and just electrical connectors and AC O-rings. And then a 1/2 inch torque wrench. And over here is a drawer of miscellaneous. I got sawzall blades, extra taps,